Welcome to our massive English conversation practice. Today we'll cover multiple real-life scenarios, starting with daily routine.
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Say this instead. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Great! What do you do after waking up?
I go to bathroom.
Say this instead. I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
Then what?
I brush my teeth.
Excellent! Do you brush your teeth every morning?
Yes, I do.
Say this instead. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I like eat eggs.
Say this instead. I like to eat eggs.
I like to eat eggs.
Scrambled or fried?
I like scrambled.
Me too. What time do you usually have lunch?
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Say this instead. I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
What's your go-to lunch spot?
I go to cafeteria.
Say this instead. I go to the cafeteria.
I go to the cafeteria.
Do you eat with friends or alone?
I eat with my friend.
Say this instead. I eat with my friends.
I eat with my friends.
That sounds fun. What do you usually do after lunch?
I go to library.
Say this instead. I go to the library.
I go to the library.
What do you like to do at the library?
I like study.
Say this instead. I like to study.
I like to study.
What subjects are you studying?
I study English and math.
Great choices. Do you have any hobbies?
I like play soccer.
Say this instead. I like to play soccer.
I like to play soccer.
That's awesome. How often do you play?
I play every day.
Say this instead. I play every single day.
I play every single day.
Wow, you're dedicated. What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Say this instead. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
Do you have any bedtime routines?
I read book.
Say this instead. I read a book.
I read a book.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like read fiction.
Say this instead. I like to read fiction.
I like to read fiction.
That's great. Reading can be very relaxing.
Yes, it is.
Say this instead. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Well, it was great chatting with you about your daily routine.
You too.
Say this instead. You too, thanks.
You too, thanks.
Let's move on to daily routine.
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Say, I wake up, instead of, I get up.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Great. And then what do you do?
I go to bathroom.
Say, I go to the bathroom, or I head to the bathroom.
I head to the bathroom.
That's correct. And what's next?
I brush my tooth.
It's teeth, not tooth. And say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Good job. And do you take a shower?
Yes, I take shower every day.
Say, I take a shower instead.
I take a shower every day.
That's right. And what time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
You can also say, I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
Great. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I eat cereal and milk.
Say, I have cereal with milk instead.
I have cereal with milk.
That sounds delicious. And then what do you do?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
You can say, I head to school, or I go to school at 8 a.m.
I head to school at 8 a.m.
Perfect. What's your favorite subject?
I like math and science.
Say, I enjoy math and science, or I like math and science.
I enjoy math and science.
That's great. And what time do you finish school?
I finish school at 3 o'clock.
You can say, I finish school at 3 p.m.
I finish school at 3 p.m.
Good. And what do you do after school?
I do my homework.
That's great. Say, I work on my homework.
I work on my homework.
How long does it usually take you?
It takes me 1 hour.
Say, it takes me an hour instead.
It takes me an hour.
That's correct. And what do you do after homework?
I play with my friend.
Say, I hang out with my friends, or I play with my friends.
I hang out with my friends.
That sounds fun. What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 6 o'clock.
You can say, I have dinner at 6 p.m.
I have dinner at 6 p.m.
Great. And what do you usually have for dinner?
I eat pasta and vegetable.
Say, I have pasta with vegetables.
I have pasta with vegetables.
That's delicious. And what do you do after dinner?
I watch TV.
Say, I watch TV, or I watch a movie.
I watch a movie.
That's great. And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
You can say, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Good. It was great practicing daily routine with you.
Thank you. It was helpful.
Remember to practice every day.
I will practice every day.
That's the right attitude. Keep it up.
I will keep it up.
Don't forget to review what we covered today.
I will review it.
Let's move on to daily routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Say this instead. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Great! What do you do then?
I go to school.
Say this instead. I head to school.
I head to school.
Excellent. What time do you head to school?
I head to school at 8 o'clock.
Remember, use a colon for times.
I head to school at 8 a.m.
Perfect. What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Say this instead. I'm fond of math.
I'm fond of math.
That's great. Do you have homework every day?
Yes. I have homework every day.
Say this instead. I get homework daily.
I get homework daily.
How much time do you spend on homework?
I spend 2 hours.
Remember, it's hours, for more than one.
I spend 2 hours.
What do you do after finishing homework?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Use a colon for the time.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you have any bedtime routine?
I brush my tooth.
It's teeth, for more than one.
I brush my teeth.
That's good. Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read book.
Say this instead. I read a book.
I read a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like fiction book.
Say this instead. I like fiction books.
I like fiction books.
That's great. Do you have a favorite author?
I like J.K. Rowling.
She's a great author. What's your favorite series?
I like Harry Potter.
Me too. Have you read all the books?
Yes, I read all book.
Say this instead. I've read all the books.
I've read all the books.
Excellent. Let's talk about weekends.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Remember, use a colon for times.
I sleep at 10 a.m.
That's late. What do you do on Sundays?
I go to park.
Say this instead. I go to the park.
I go to the park.
Do you have a favorite activity?
I like play soccer.
Say this instead. I like playing soccer.
I like playing soccer.
That's a great way to stay active. Let's move on to daily routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Say this instead. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Why at 6 a.m.?
We use am for morning hours.
I go school at 8 o'clock.
Say this instead. I go to school at 8 a.m.
What's the difference?
We need to before school.
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Say this instead. I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
I eat cereal.
What kind of cereal?
I eat cornflakes.
That's a good choice.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Say this instead. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Why at 10 p.m.?
We use p.m. for evening hours.
I watch TV before bed.
What's your favorite show?
I like watch news.
Say this instead. I like watching the news.
Why watching?
We need the gerund form here.
I understand now.
Great, let's practice more.
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Say this instead. I have lunch at 12 p.m.
I eat sandwich.
Say this instead. I eat a sandwich.
Why a sandwich?
We need the indefinite article here.
I drink water.
That's very healthy.
I go to gym at 5 o'clock.
Say this instead. I go to the gym at 5 p.m.
I run on treadmill.
Say this instead. I run on the treadmill.
Why the treadmill?
We need the definite article here.
I feel good after gym.
Exercise is very beneficial.
I take shower after gym.
That's a great habit.
I have dinner at 7 o'clock.
Say this instead. I have dinner at 7 p.m.
I eat pasta.
Say this instead. I eat some pasta.
Why some pasta?
We use some for uncountable nouns.
I understand now.
Great, let's keep practicing.
I go to bed early.
That's a good habit.
I sleep 8 hours.
Say this instead. I sleep for 8 hours.
Why for 8 hours?
We use for to indicate duration.
I feel rested now.
That's great to hear.
I have good daily routine.
Say this instead. I have a good daily routine.
Why a good daily routine?
We need the indefinite article here. Let's move on to daily routine.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Say this instead. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Great. What's next?
I go to school.
Instead, say, I go to work or I head to school.
I head to school.
Excellent. What time do you have breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Remember, use am or p.m.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I eat bread.
Say this instead. I have toast or I eat cereal.
I have toast.
Good choice. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea.
That's great. What time do you start school?
I start school at 8 o'clock.
Use am or p.m. and consider saying begin or commence.
I start school at 8 a.m.
What subjects do you study?
I study math and science.
You can also say, I'm taking math and science classes.
I'm taking math and science classes.
Do you have a favorite subject?
I like math.
Instead, say, I enjoy math, or math is my favorite.
Math is my favorite.
What do you do after school?
I go home.
You can say, I head home, or I go back home.
I head home.
Do you have any hobbies?
I play football.
Say this instead. I play soccer, or I'm on a football team.
I play soccer.
That's great. What time do you have dinner?
I eat dinner at 6 o'clock.
Remember to use p.m.
I eat dinner at 6 p.m.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I eat rice.
You can say, I have rice with vegetables, or I eat a salad.
I have rice with vegetables.
That sounds healthy. What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV.
Instead, say, I watch a movie, or I catch up on my favorite show.
I watch a movie.
What time do you go to bed?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Use p.m. and consider saying, I go to bed, or I sleep at.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you have a consistent bedtime routine?
I brush my teeth.
You can also say, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
What do you do before sleeping?
I read book.
Say this instead. I read a book, or I'm reading a novel.
I read a book.
That's a great way to relax. Do you have any morning exercises?
I do exercise.
Instead, say, I exercise, or I do some morning stretches.
I exercise.
What kind of exercises do you do?
I run.
You can also say, I go for a run, or I do some jogging.
I go for a run.
That's great. Do you have any weekend plans?
I go to park.
Instead, say, I'm going to the park, or I'll visit the park.
I'm going to the park.
What will you do at the park?
I play game.
Say this instead. I'll play a game, or I'll have a picnic.
I'll play a game.